me say obi amane wo ho aya na etasane obi oh say bible mu ana say wiase say Jacob bebre e wo wiase ye wo Jones bebre e wo wiase Samson ye wo Kevin bebre e wo wiase na abrantie bi a wo fi eya brochimemu eba bedi bronya e wo Ghana ye friend Kevin Taylor ye hwe ni passport money say o ya chill you are under arrest because no mundim say original Kevin Taylor. Hey, oh your siketa. Na so na enye onu a, na ye hwehwe mu na che say enye original Kevin Taylor na ya che say ya enye original arrest. Che say onu ankasa de enye onu na mo obi a wono besa na ebusuafo ono so de Kevin. When na original Kevin Taylor say sabi Ghana for ye tadin krasesem kakra. Jesus Christ. Ye tadin kolasem kakra ntini din Kevin no. Wo bi antimi ndi Kevin. Obi anti I before to me to agbedam bebre san obi so de Kevin Taylor's for no wo mo dosu Ghana for sabi yema yenimbie kakra na yenya sabi enkwase ade kakra na ye wo airport on Kevin Eka original one me enti original emra
be after the plane eba Ghana your friend Kevin Taylor anti match it in the serious fraud office right now as we speak Kotoka because they thought to say it is me so they have to go in and arrest the person intending to be for Kevin Taylor be more Ghana. It is politics, it is not. What you are seeing now are deliberate. You see, the CJ Mensah, what they used her to do in 2020, no, she still thinks Ghana for are timid. Ghanaians can't react. So who TV so ya botte gas manipa bebre dwane ya bonipa 82 yen hodi obi accountable. She lives with us, she sees these things. So sometimes not fear only boss man mutenasia omo catch omo said these people are cowards. We have the military that will protect us, we have the national security that will kill for us. So why don't we keep doing what you're doing? Because only omaya bonina kosu a point they don't know how to go back. And they have taken sorry, they have taken the silence of Ghanaians to mean it's a Ghana for Jimmy. And you see, when you are filled with power, it is a point in your life. I know who will be a one champions or a coward. Normally, when people haven't tasted real power before, now time power be to say obi say Jane Mensah same any boss man. Na okono hu soldier for left and right, soldier for tenika mu, okofia soldier for gardener. Aya na nitimu no. Ohun a normal Ghanaian on the streets. Okasa bibra ohun ni say or a coward. And one sha one yes smarter et say oni abrofote. Say one kasa oni abrofote no. One ya very smarter sa abrofase sound. Say only a before na tia. Onya very smarter se before sound until you meet Obia on your brofote. Until you meet Obia on your before te. Especially so ya Ghana nina oni bruni nete at the same. There are so many things you don't see say the lifestyle of Obi Abrofo, the way they do things at home, no, you yourself, no, you don't even know. Say there are some things say it has changed you until maybe you meet a Ghanaian or you are around other Ghanaians. A hona one kasabenya sa awareness then we say no. These are things and I'm beginning to say it's supposed to be normal. But when I'm with my people it's not, but I don't even know say sadie we kura no mean to me nyebiem. And I'm not saying say ebia we share Ghana for they are doing something bad. I'm trying to let you know say to a point when it's changing you don't see it.
Vimbas.
And you see that is where obi to say Bosmanasari any J Mensah, that is where they are now. They believe, especially Bosmanasari believe say nipa do say and bit to charge me aye bibi or Ghana ma Ghana. They don't see it. They don't. To form say no, because the soldier ni baako actually throw no botua nipa ni nyina be jamming. So they don't see the seriousness in what they are doing. So they have taken Ghanaians to be foolish. They are timid. They cannot react. Until they are taking a liner. They want to help the government rig. Because they know the consequences at the end of the day. Omu ebo nipa tuo ayawaso West Wagon. Yanka obi wanka. Nipa ewu ema omu kodi bonene da hone yete Ghana. 2020, they supervised an election. You ku nipa 8. Obia antwe obia so. So what is going to make them think say 2024 when they do these things, something is going to happen to them? It is only you. This woman J Mensa or evil. She has been consumed with power. Power abedini trimwa to the point they say ohun Ghana ni ewu, she doesn't care. And if we don't sit back and reflect where we are coming from, and what you have gone through to get to this point, I swear to God, sa Liberians say you no more Ghana, you don't continue Bujumbura. Now you take Ghana join some who are mobile, and no more royals or krum or more addition. We will look around. JJ Rollins catch the Ghana for any NDC for especially. Principles are very important. When you move away from your principles, if you don't take care, you can even kill your own daughter. When you move away from your principles, so when Nyabutsa, what made you know, you will destroy it. Principles are very important. At a point, or remind the NDC for say, the principles now you take part way no. Do not move away from that principle. Because you see, the moment we as a nation, we move from that principle, which is the democratic principle, kebi to respect the rule of law, to make sure things like elections are transparent and the media have the right to cover. And then we as a people to have the right to know or to pick who leads us. When we deviate or move away from those principles, we can never get this nation back. And when you see things like this, now easy catcher will say, Omatna office and Oma select media, it is dangerous. Your democracy has been cut into half. And it's an American government through the US embassy, a release statement. A catcher Ghana for say, this government is bad. A moon penny for and yet they want to destroy your democracy, and they said it in a technical way. Oman can plainly, but so if you are smart, now we read the letter now. Omo catch them say the leadership no mudimusuno. There are some people in there who have bad intentions, and that what they can do to help you as a nation is to inform you and is to close their borders to such people who don't want to protect your democracy. It has gotten to the point where 10 days to elections, your EC boss are soldier for no or say or tonight electoral commission as select media houses are on the cover elections. No.
Mr. Sesia Okita a year celebrity for dinner no after Usuye after Obiabo 12 keke. They see a Ushana Okita celebrity be dinner. Now what do I kakra? Aye, macra.